Sensor, infrared sensor. I have a problem, I think it's with a relay inside. There's a capacitor for the spark over the relay points, and then it's leaking. I have two parallel LED lights that are coming from this switch, from this relay. The one goes off and the other one is flashing, so I don't know why it keeps on flashing. So I just want to check the capacitor. Maybe the capacitor inside is have an issue. Let's open this thing up. Let's feed this wires through here. Come on. See what's happening here? There's a relay switching the lights. But I was just going to check which is the contacts here. Maybe there's a capacitor, then the capacitor is leaking and then it lets some supply through. That's why when the relay is off, the light flashes. As far as I can see here, there's a capacitor. Looks like a 220 nanofarad, 630 volt, between the brown, the live wire, and the relay contact, and the wire that switches the lights. And I think this is leaking. That one is leaking. I'm going to take it off. See maybe it will solve the problem. What I do, I somehow take a cutter and break it out. It doesn't work, I have to buy a new one. As we pull out these teeth, and see, I'm going to put it together and see if it works. And can you believe it? It's working. It was that capacitor that was leaking. So this light is off. This one is also off. It goes on. The white one is now on. How's that?